The LightStrip has a unique way of controlling light. Slide along the top with your finger to illuminate more LEDs. When you want to turn out LightStrip, you just need to double click the top part. Modular design guaranteed LightStrip can create an extended desktop light. When someone leaves, you will not be interrupted. LightStrip can be your friend. When you need it, just slide it. The joint allows for more flexibility. You can freely adjust the angle of the lamp stand to optimally light your working area. You can also adjust the direction of the beam, which enables you to use indirect light to find something you need. When you fully erect the lamp body and reduce the brightness, it can be used as an ambient light column. During the night, touching LightStrip will not disturb your partner's sleep. To adapt to different needs, we have created two different colors: dark grey warm light, silver cold light. We believe there is always one for you.